An incredible smart device that will help you cook and grill better. This is where it sits and charges, and this is the actual meat thermometer. It is Bluetooth. It has a wireless range of 165 feet. The really neat thing about this, it has two different sensors. One for your internal meat up to 212 Fahrenheit, and the external temperature that can top in the oven, for example, all the way to 527 degrees. Simply insert it in the meat and use your phone. Tell the meter app what type of meat you're cooking or grilling. Beef, T-bone, and select your proper temperature. Meter Plus will do the rest. The Meter Plus even pairs with Alexa, where you can ask Alexa about any updates on your cooking time. Say goodbye to wires. Whether it's on the grill, in the oven, or in a rotisserie, cook the perfect meat every time with Meter Plus.